Yo, what up YouTubers? Here's an update on the Ninja, how far we came. So I've done a quick wash to it. It was a little dirty, so when I was riding it I noticed that the fan wouldn't turn on, and what would happen is the lights would turn on. Sorry, this oil light, sorry, I know it's hard to see it, but that's the oil warning light, and this is the temperature warning light over here. Those two would come on and the bike would shut off only when I was stopped. If I would be driving, it would be fine, but I felt the engine getting really hot, so I went ahead and pulled this side fairing off, sitting over here. Pulled the fairing off, and I just went ahead and took a look at, just a couple threads previously, and I found that this temp sensor right here, right, see this radiator? Huge, ain't it? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's a small little radiator here. It's got a cooling fan, so popped the switch off, and what I did was I just used a paper clip, and what I did was I just connected these terminals on both sides, like so. Well, I'm trying to do this with one hand. A lot easier with two, promise. Alright, so now I've got it jumped, it's getting hot, but you can hear it turn it on. You see it? You take it off now. So pretty much what that's telling me is that this switch right here, this fan temperature switch, is bad. It's not doing its job, it's not allowing the cooling fan to turn on, so it'll keep it cool, I live in California where it does get quite hot. It's also noticed that this little evap canister is held on by twine. I don't think that was like that from the factory, so probably look into something over there, maybe rubber, like a rubber strap or something like that. We'll try to use that. So I just did a quick clean on it, nothing too crazy, too stellar, but it looks a lot better. But it's running good, it's cruising good. So after I do the fan, we'll go ahead and do an oil change, some spark plugs, and then I'll show you the tire that it came with this Michelin Pilot Street tire. Pilot Sport, really good tread. Obviously it's brand new. I think the fronts still look decent right now, but the rear has a nail in it, and I did verify it when I washed it earlier today at the shop. Saw a leak in there and bubbles coming out of it, and then this guy gave me this little exhaust piece here, Jardine RT15. It's kind of scuffed up, but people run it for now because it sounds like a little freaking moped the way it sounds when we're all riding it right now. So I think for the meantime we'll go ahead and change that. We'll also look at some fairing kits, so we might do a fairing overhaul. I'm not too sure at this point, but yeah, stay tuned. It's a quick update on the Ninja and where we're at. Trying to get a GoPro so I can take you guys on a ride with me. Alright, peace.